tastes like lemon juice because it is lemon juice. She's having cough and cold today. From yesterday, nagsimula. So I made her lemon juice. Wait, finish na? Okay, yeah. We'll drink later na naman. Enough na. So, tasty. Kahapon nagsimula yung kanyang sipon at ubo. Yung sipon, kahapon nagsimula ng hapon. Tapos ngayong umaga, inuubo na siya. It's okay. Okay, say good morning to them first.
Good morning. I wake up early.
Today is Sunday. Mimi, let me fix your hair now. Let's go na. You want to go with mommy or not?
Yes.
It's market day today. Yung aming mga fruits and vegetables, kailangan talaga namin bumili weekly. Tapos, yung aming bigas, tapos na yung aming bigas guys kahapon. So, from yesterday, chapati and parata lang kami. Yung 10 kilo na ano namin, na bigas na binili nung pagkadating namin dito. Umabot din siya mga isang buwan. More than 1 month. Daddy will follow us pag nasa bihiling na kami. Kasi panigurado na mabigat yung aming dadalhin. And hindi si Abby sasama ngayon. Kasi gusto niya maging productive yung kanyang araw. Gusto niya mag-exercise. May gawin siyang something for himself. So, yaan natin siya dyan. Kami lang ni Mishka. Mas gusto ko din na pag nag-grocery, yung kami lang ni Mishka ba. Kasi pag nasa tindahan, mag-check-check pa, na hindi naman kailangan. Tingin-tingin lang, hindi naman bumibili. Nakaka-happy lang kasi magtingin-tingin kapag nasa supermarket. And sa Abhi, pag tapos na yung kailangan naming bilhin, pupunta niyan sa bilik. Ayaw niya yung nagsasayang ng oras sa loob ng supermarket. Eh ako, opposite. Put your box there. Put it back. Go. Thank you. Tara, let's guys. Bye, Daddy. See you later, alligator.
Take care of it. I love you, sweetie.
She asked me, are we going Daddy's bike? Daddy's scooter. Hold Mommy's hand. Love, love, hold Mama na. Papaba kasi ito. Uy. Not there. It's not fresh. Oh, this one, this one.
Mom?
Huh? Uy! Uy, hala! Uy, hala! Ang laki naman. Ito lang. Happy ko. Meron silang mga international products pala dito. Yung mga nabibili kong noodles. Lobster noodles. Stir fry original. Itong Poca na brand yung binibili ko. Curry. What do you want? No, you already have candy. You have opened it already. Wala yung noodles ko na lobster. Original tomato. One more. Dito kami ngayon sa kanilang second floor. Department store naman to nila. Uy, ita-try niya na. Don't need to try. Mishi, we don't need to try this. Ita-try pa niya. Ang nice naman ito, oh. This is so nice, huh? 149. Ang nice. Kaya lang sasabihan na naman ako na Abby na hindi kailangan kasi ang dami na namin ganito sa bahay. Sometimes what is nice is not practical. Ito ang nice din. So nice, Mishi, oh. Nice lang ng color. Huy! Huy, hala. Mimi. It's not painful. Tinrahin niya na yung plastic mat. Okay, now put it back and wear your shoes, please.
It's good.
It's good? Okay, put it back now.
This way.
You like it?
This way.
Okay. First time ko makakita ng sleeveless na kurta. Kashmiri chili. Wala na kasi kaming chili powder. Mga masala. Oh no, it's raining. Umuulan na. It's raining. Like 7 rupees. 7, 12. There's so many, mostly, those like this having restaurants. They are buying from here.
Yeah. What is it?
Kashmiri chili. We don't have Kashmiri chili.
Baby, careful.
Come here, love. We're home. Ito yung mga nabili namin. And ito na yung binili ko na rice this time. Ako naman yung nasunod. Rosana na basmati rice. Dalawa kasi tig 5 kilos lang siya. So 10 kilos pang isang buwan na namin yan. Got her slippers. Ano lang to guys? Mura lang to. 99 rupees. So pang loob ng bahay. Ang cute. Butterfly. I think this is her first time na binila namin siya ng ganitong sleeper na ba yung hindi slip-on. Wait, let me see.
Is it good?
So nice. Go walk. Medyo marami-rami yung nabili ko ngayon. Bumili ako nito. Though hindi ko talaga kilala yung pangalan nito. Pero parang ang fresh niya. So, bumili ako. Parang ginagawa lang naman itong bujia. So, itatry ko magluto nito. I got potato. Cabbage. I got mushroom too. Bumili na ako ng lemon kasi inuubo nga si Mish kasi ni Sipon. So, lemon juice tayo always. Sayote. Apples. Pang baon ni Mishka sa school. Ayos na alupati doon. Mura lang to, 7 rupees. Yung maganda doon sa Smart Bazaar, maliliit lang ba na tangkay yung binibenta nila. So, mauubos mo talaga siya. Curry leaves. Sibuyas dahon. Ang fresh pa. Meron na pala kaming ceiling fan. Ngayon lang nila na-install. 3. Bumili ako ng makana, guys. Or lotus seed. Pang snacks ni Mishka. Pang baon sa school. Siya yung pumili nito. Siya yung nakaalala. Bujia set. Pang snacks. Yung mga ready to cook na masala, guys. Buy to get 1 itong butter chicken na flavor. So, bumili na ako 3. Paneer, yogurt or curd, Tapos ito, like minsan nagki-cravings kami ng Maggi. Dalawa yung binili ko nito eh. Tapos meron sila doon, bumili ako. Pang sabaw minsan ba, pag nakakamiss yung Pilipinas. Pero wala sila nung chicken na flavor, so mushroom itong kinuha ko. Ito yung aking paborito guys, Bel Puri. Yung brand is Bikaji. Itong gusto ko talaga ito. Ito, cheese. Another paneer. Sa atin, pag nag-grocery tayo, yung mga basic na binibili natin, sardinas, pangluto, pag walang fresh vegetables. Dito naman sa amin, paneer yung dapat bilhin mo. Cheese. Ito snacks. Masarap din to siya. Plain lang yung flavor nito. Pero ito kayo ka. Ito yung binili ko kay Abhi na shoe shiner. Kasi 50% off lang siya. Doon tayo sa sale. Hing powder. Tapos steel black. Parang sesame seed siya na black yung kulay. Yeah, Hantil is sesame seed also, ano?
Yeah.
This is sesame seed na black pala yung color. I'm correct. Ayan siya. Sesame seed na black. Soft rice. Ito buy one get one din. So, bumili na ako. Chili. Ito yung sabi ko na buy 2 get 1. Raisins, pang snacks, and cashew nuts. Mga dry fruits and nuts, yun yung madalas namin binibili for snacks. Tapos itong wheat flour, ano lang siya guys, free. Kasi medyo madami-dami yung binili namin. Meron kang option if gusto mong kumuha ng wheat flour. Bumili din ako nitong lemon rice powder. Itatry ko if masarap ba. Daddy, I bought this so we can try lemon rice. Ajwain. Ay, okay. Yung maliliit na eggplant. Bumili din ako. Meron akong malaking eggplant. Meron din akong maliliit. Yung poha ba? Flattened rice. Ayan.
They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine.
Nakahilera yung mga kaldero dito. Luto ni Abhi for our lunch. Eggplant and potato. Ako yung nagsaing ng rice and yung dal. They're like big Bumili ako ng curry leaves kasi konti na lang yung curry leaves ko dito. Ito na preserve siya, guys. Hugasan muna yung curry leaves, then patuyuin, tsaka ilagay sa container. Magiging ganito siya and it will last. Ilang months na to. Nung nasa Bangalore pa kami nito. Naglaga ako ng guys, mais. Yan. Para hindi masayang, nilaga ko na siya. Ito pa, last week ko pa to binili. Ito yung hindi sweet corn. Para hindi siya masayang dahil kanina nakabili na ako ng sweet corn. If ipapahuli ko na naman ito, hindi talaga ito makakain. So, unahin na muna natin itong kainin. Gosh, parang ang tigas pa ah. Ilang whistle na to eh. Yeah? Galing sabi sa labas, guys, nagpagupit. New hair day for Daddy. You want corn? It's hot.
I touched Mommy's tummy.
Yeah.
Mommy's very happy. I touched Mommy's tummy.
Kailangan kong i-measure yung kanyang height kasi kailangan sa kanilang school. Centimeter. Wait, no, put that. Stand here. Put your feet here. Love. Here. No. Stand up. Put your. Daddy? Can you?
No, no.
Huh? 101 centimeter. What is this?
1 meter.
Meter.
Feet you see.
4 feet.
Not cool.
This is 101. I guess that is centimeter, huh? So, 12 inches, 36 inches. Bukas pala is another festival na naman dito. Almost every week merong festival. Yung mga students, kailangan nilang mag-wear ng traditional wear or if meron silang mga Krishna or Radhe na costume. Yun yung suotin nila bukas. And since ito lang yung traditional wear ni Mishka dito and wala siyang Radhe na costume, ito na lang. Kahit anong occasion or festival, pwede niya itong suotin. And nilabhan ko siya, isang gamit lang. So, kailangan ko siyang planchahin ngayon para bukas ready na hindi na ako yung matataranta. Takot ako magplansya ng mga ganitong tela kasi marami na akong naplansya ng mga damit na nasunog. Sa nylon siguro tayo. Daddy, I will use nylon, no option? No? Nylon?
Use it with a cloth. Cheap cloth that you use it now.
And nilagyan ko din pala ng garter ito kanina, guys. Habang may katsikahan ako sa cellphone. Nagtahi ako ng ni Mishka, ng kanyang skirt. Kasi pag ganito lang, nalalaglag. So, dapat tight talaga yung mo dito, pagkatali. So, parang naawa ko kay Mishka. Though, hindi naman siya yung sobrang tight talaga. Pero mas maganda na merong garter kasi hindi talaga siya malalaglag. Meron parang additional na pangtali. Parang ang perfect ng pagbili namin dito kasi magagamit talaga siya ngayon. Kasi during mga festivals, kahit ulit-ulit lang, ito yung paggamit ko kay Mishka, okay lang naman. Para din, lubos-lubos yung paggamit nito. Kailangan mong i-pleats ito. Okay. Ready na to bukas.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say.
Kailangan ko siyang iwanan na yung ginagawa ko. Maghuhugas ako ng pinggan.
Look what happened to your mermaid. And scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, mine,
Paper cup.
mine, oh mine.
What's this? Wow, it's a rat.
Oh,
This one. Cat sisters. This is the baby
In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black. When you look at me like that, look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Baby, you're mine.
Inhale.
In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black. When you look at me like that.
Enough room to put
Say goodnight to them na.